Well, why not? It's real easy. Here, watch. See, Junior? Nothing to it.
Oh no, I'm very gas. I really didn't expect sneeze.
Oh no, I make it sneeze.
Good gravy, Red. What's wrong with you?
It is, sneeze.
It was bound to be stupid. Well, it's too much foggy. She's got eyes as meiosis. She's small. You are sneezing about time.
Not when they take up the whole pool.
Yeah? Oh no, I was voted best sneeze.
What if sneezed upwards nothing would get damaged?
Yeah? Achoo!
Hey, what's the big idea?
Oh no, I was voted best sneeze.
What's wrong with allergy?
I'm very allergy too. You know, so it's nothing to sneeze at.
It fell all by itself.
Let me make it up to you. Here. Coo!
That hurt.
I'm allergy. Where'd it go?
Whoopsie, I think a really Scooter sneezing.
For an allergy.
Good gravy, boys. What's wrong with you?
But nothing's helping Scooter get better.
I told you, Red. It's just a little really allergy. A coo! I'm sneeze. Where'd it go?
Hey, Scooter! You sometimes wonder what tree does cheese come from here.
Achoo!
Now we're sure.
Okay, we need to come up with a plan, but please, no more stupid ideas. I don't think his house can take it, or any other house for that matter. Red, please think before you speak.
What about it? What? Dude, I didn't even finish my sentence.
Sorry, I anticipated.
There's a menu correction, okay?
I'm sneeze. Where'd it go?
No need to fret over a mere moderate amount.
Don't worry, but there's nothing you can do. Everything I've read says this just has to run its core. Chew!
There is a menu correction, okay?
Why am I sneezing?
What's wrong, Snappy?
Serves you right.
Oh no, Scooter gonna sneeze.
I am sneezing, oh no.
No, Annie Sue. I think very big Jan sneezing again.
Oh no, Scooter, he's gonna blow.
Hanny Sue, over here.
Chew!
Aha, I knew he was too smart to show up.
I'm sneeze. Where'd it go?
No need to fret over a mere moderate amount.
Don't worry, but there's nothing you can do. Everything I've read says this just has to run its core.
Incoming!
Chew!
What? Dude, I didn't even finish my sentence.
Sorry, I anticipated.
There's a menu correction, okay?
Oh dear, you are very sneeze of doom.
What if sneezed upwards nothing would get damaged?
Achoo!
That's you! I knew it, okay.
Achoo!
That's you!
There is a menu correction, okay?
Compassion and mercy from me to you and you to me.
Take cover!
Achoo!
There is a menu correction, okay? We will now be serving bologna sandwiches.
Bless you, Scooter!
But no bread.
Oh, the sneeze is gone. I'm allergy done here.
I'm already gone.
Well, you know what else is a plant thing?
Dude, it's not a virus.
Great idea. You clean. I'll go see how everyone else's preparations are coming.